kampung siapa?
Mau rusak ya maklar.
Yang ini
Mau rusak sih ya.
Kilai tili ki seng na rib hoi ki bakan thup ya ka MPSO HANM bat ka CORP haka nyotre kunopra arajar arhuai kilalei penikran markmat bat principal ka Christ School usi vargis kabodan hanong sder hadien biklayo ek jingujo nakawai kanoi kai bau new principal ulakren de kitien klamako ya kani kanong hikai ka bahikai officiate haka jaka jongkawai kanong hikai menta kumbala arbnai ei kala kano bau principal ubade trai ka teka school usai kren kitien klamako reka daking tien kiba ome hap setia bat ya kalong reniang kaman reniang ya kariu kuntai kala kano ba bonsin uyower bani pulpor le ngobha bat u hakari kanan resort hanrei ka teka kanong hikai kala kantai ya ka teka jingiwer ka jungu na ka teka daw kala kano bula pensenge season ya ka teka kanong hikai banwan ban hikai ha ka teka school kilai seng kilalei ban khang tala season ya kari kanan resort kat badang ya ka jingtoket but kila airu da ka ejahar persya yu ti principal ha yam police station.
Every day you will always make the comment that we'll come to, like, have you ever visited Rikanan? Come to Rikanan, we'll spend some quality time together. All
What
of
do you
that.
mean by that?
And one more
And
thing
what is the
about-
name of your school?
And one more thing is that.
And what did you do
you
inside
say?
that?
You said that Miss with a very pretty face like you and a personality like you're not fit to be an educationist. You should be somewhere in sales. What do you mean by that? You think you can buy me with that amount of money that you have? You can feed 2 generations? You think so? I thought of like compromising with you yesterday, right? I came up to you to compromise, but what did you say? That okay, fine, you're not comfortable. Stop coming to school tomorrow. What? If you would just compromise with me yesterday, that would have been different. But since day one, whatever I've been facing, I thought like I'll just let it go. But you guys keep traumatizing me and mentally torture me every day, telling me I'm never enough and all of that. And if you want me to expose some more, there's a lot more.
To expose him?
Yeah,
To what?
about that.
To expose him?
I already said, and even I don't know if it's right or it's wrong. Forcing me to sign the signature in someone else's name, that is also wrong. But still, I did it for you guys. And what did you pay me back? So that when I react, when I try to stand up for myself, so you're going to tell me that from tomorrow onwards to come to school.
See, you were not appointed by us, only as a substitute you came.
Exactly.
It's not a full appointment,
Even
sir.
there was a teacher, right?
Someone else.
That is not about that. It is not about that. Yeah, it is not about that.
Who did you
My God.
What is the name of the school? Christ School. And what did you do inside the Christ School?
You came from hell.
You have
Sir,
Rikanan
we have
also.
not done
The name is
anything.
Rikanan, and what is going on there, I don't know. Last time also deleted by some NGO from there. You are a devil. You hide in a religion's name. Okay?
Make it clear. Make it clear. What? I have not done anything wrong to her.
You did not do anything wrong, but what you said was wrong. Okay? It was
Suppose if she agree.
Ma'am, did he touch you?
I never touched her, not even shook hand with her in my
Did he
life.
touch you?
When I went to have breakfast with him over there while I was eating breakfast, it was just a stroke. That's it.
Ang balay usabi ro day namar ba? Bangam triya bang.
Then you tell me when we could have compromised tomorrow, why did you just say that, okay, fine, if you're not comfortable, then stop coming from tomorrow?
So why?
Means that you don't get any profit from her.
Why terminate?
Huh?
That is the profit.
Okay.
You don't have profit.
She came here.
Kiburi ya?
Everyone knows. Everyone.
Kiko kietre hangnya, kabalong tinggal, kietre hangnya. Bro, dikasih ya. Kini baru para kali sudah kini dikasih ya.
And last time last time via tour di ang Julia ini uang anak aku dah. Apa yang dak dua? Ngap ini kasi. Kau bentah lah. Pula ya kuat ni ang kay para nang kay lang.
Marshall, ini di Pulau Tengah. Jangan ngasih itu
Via tour.
unang ayo.
Was sampai.
Unang ayo because the one who's doing this him no. Unang ayo.
Hindi pa niya ba may anjing Saifi?
Do you even recognize your mistake that you have done?
Nga ba nang shoot pa yung tour ni naka?
Do you even have the This is not your first time.
High school, okay, fine.
This is not your first time. This is not your first time. Know that well.
Em là đâu
This is not your first time. There are instances, victims. Hey, no. This should not continue. I tell you that this should not continue. This is not your first time. And you're still laughing.
No, I'm not.
You're still smiling. Huh?
Nagtaktir Daktakti kong
Udang kia. Udang apa kia? You're not so you're what?
I am a teacher.
You're a teacher.
But then
Okay.
this school teach a lot about Christianity, but they just show why people doesn't want to convert to Christianity is because people like these. Some people really mistaken my kindness and me being nice and tolerating everyone's bullshit over here for being very for my weakness. They really take it as my weakness. Maybe they could do that to other teachers, but not me. Seriously, not me. You should have known me from day one. Not me. Just because I keep smiling and just letting it go every time doesn't mean that.
Any old man
Would love to spend
would love to spend some quality
good quality time.
with her. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Tell me, hey. Start speaking, or else.
Why do I have to stop coming to school? Because I told you that, sir, all of this that is happening, I'm not comfortable with it. So instead of compromising and resolving that issue, then why is there a need that I should stop coming to school?
Ano ba nga dyan kaya hindi bikin kidaw kung niya kung tayo try kishpun mi daw di kaya again kaya ngambit kaya nga lang ong ba maybe ka di ching baklahi jong ate ya din ken ski kis daw mi kidaw pada bangam so ya hap ken che ru ken kis dang te da haladian pada ngas dang wangan lit keren hibit ken yu principal ne sister ikum tu ken dang la keren pada yu principal sister pada ki ai bit ken ki daw ki bolong kum ne kum te ken ki bangam hun ken hanga jing sha dia din pada ski tharai banga ha bangan kendo baju principal moman kapor kum tu usdang ken ban keren klama kwar ken yu keren be kita ki kentin ki bolong be ban ong be bang mangangan lechta syari kanan bangan spend quality time ber uman man kapor be ken yu ong be kum ta wong kanya nga ba mga te ba nga long ki ba kat kum kadol sofi mi ha ban long nong hikai ha ban long ka eke kum ta ka ju ang ki eke babon ken ukren be ki eke ba ki long be kum pen ibe ba kalong balong sexual be kum to te ji man kasi ha ban yam ha ba susi la ban ta jong kata ken tamba nga ndre nga menden pada nga ong ba yak eke bala ja bar khoi to kat kum badai kum kata ka krai school semua kini nya makin ni we ne keren compromise kenya kata ke eke baru khating alet ki bangan keren compromise kenya umenen tidak nga keren compromise pada umenen pada uang pen ban yang ba kum ta ba fis ngo kum ta ba film long comfortable hani school ba film la ban adjust ki eke jo kini hani school ka ba ja ki ke la biang no la shanai one sure ken kita kada ko hado apoi upot bang ha ban do no ken khala henry ka eke baru khat kam biang ra ken hamdan ra kadaw ke eke long ka babiang ke hende danga kli ka kam ka jam ki ong bet kam de ra ka kam ka jam ki shu ai daw ya karyam ka bet bang am ya ha ra ka karyam ko changa ban wan school nga phong ke eke kan re ha bang wan school nga photang kurta ba jan sam ju phong pala na ta hende ki daw ki ba kim biang kim la ban ai ban jubab ka babiang hende minin pe danga bangan keren compromise ka ta ba ki ong pun ban yang ban ai wan school shu ken yola shala biang kut no ki ong kum ta ken nga de nga wan officiate ken jo wi mes hang ne de hende ka jan pat kum ta ken Hindai jeng syang adang de bangan continue biang hi adang de ban continue show hi tang bau ita imes ibabu yang ai kelampat pen continue re ke empat pen discontinue re ke nya kata ke empat pen kut me i nakal yang cu ibabu yang hindai pada pen kut hi no nang ni ken ki ong be jendat be kem ai por hi ra yang ban ong ba hapo sta yo mata i no ne kem bo hi ra kum taru ki ong be direct ba nadu la sha nai wan show ong be jendat be menen mamenta kasi nai wan show ken hindai jing sha tempat de ken ka por yang ban kut
Nagalang kaseng hadin bangil ayo ia ka jing komplain baka jing ujor nagalang ikong iba wan ban hikai school akan ke school hadin ban nagalang kaseng ilayo ika jing tip bau tau principal ubah hikai kan ke school kuren kenceleng kuat ban ya spend time satu support ri kanan ya ini ikong iba wan hikai kan ke school ban nagalang kaseng hadin bangil atip mar-mar ngila wan sing ke jaka ban wan jurip ban wan kendu ya principal Andai hadin ba ngila yo ban keren umla ban jubab ya kata ka jingkeli ka ba ikong ila keli ya u ba balai ukhat ban le tia syata syari kanan balai ukot itu ikong. Kalek barabar dari kanan kadai kawai kaba nagaleng kaseng gidon ya kajing sokya ba nakapor yo iba kini ki khalajak ki khar poi ki wan haka kerteng kum kino hikai banseng ki school ya ki college henrei kai pat kabangi sokya bat ngi sokta ba kini ki ba matang yo iba sibun ki kun samla ki jongi ki sya nyonben ki sya leben haka ba ki penbij na kita ki pisah ki jongki lagi kerdan ki jongki te nagaleng kaseng adin bagi lawan jurip akan jaka ngila lap ya kajing sisa bat nagaleng kaseng ngin salik bu dak FIR hang teh po umyam police station bat lada ki police kim sim khai kena kam bat nagaleng kaseng ngin sim hi ya kabor hakti lejong kane gamisit ka bakaliar nomor baleng ngin hap ong kumta nomor ngyo iba ka an hang ne postit jongi kaya dabha ya non tribal kat bayangi ki trai muluk kan kanom yada de nak kadau nak leng kaseng ikwa ban kansai saka police department ba kadai ban sim khai kana ka kes bat kadai ban kam murder yau ne principal uba kup sni lang berot kumuno hikai henrei kikam ki jong upat ki kam ki bajabo namar udai utrai jong kari kanan ngitip borok ba kari kanan kadai kajaka kaba yatha ki ba sibun ba ngila ban ong de nak kadau ngi ong ba uneu de utrai kari kanan leng bagi no hikai ki banan hang jaka ukhot sate sari kanan bania thia lang bania spend time lang batu digane kadai ka bangi sokya bangi kerpat ro saki parari ki jongi ba ki dei ban husiar kumiau ne senpu ubawan hakadur jongi no hikai ban penjot ya ki kun samla ki jongi dan nagaleng kaseng nginang budin ni kene kam ba lada ngilap biang sasisin kum kini ki jakam bat nagaleng kaseng ngin ai nakabateng bat nagaleng kaseng ikwa ban penpau bai mentaga singin lei sate support ri kanan bat ngin khang suayak te gari kanan kat bam pelak ban penbai ya kane kakis kane gamisit ke bakaliar nagaleng ke jungi kaseng
Nakaliang principal kate school ulakan tai persaj hok halo kate ke jingsya keno.
This is absolutely baseless. The miss was not appointed by us. She was sent as a substitute for one of our teachers, Miss Evangeline, and she was coming here, and the principal found her many times not able to control the classroom, not able to do as the way we were working with other teachers. So she was told 2-3 times to correct herself, and she was going around like that. So we were waiting for the other miss. She was sick, the original one. So we waited the exam days. So not much teaching. So we allowed her to continue. And just 3 days back, she came here during the assembly a bit late, and she said, I had an accident. So then she said, I'm having pain. Then I called one of the nuns to take her to give the balm and all. Then she said she had not taken the breakfast. So we gave her the breakfast. And then she had a discussion with the sister. I know nothing about it. And she revealed her depression, the medicine she's taking, and all those other problems. And she was also, I came to know, in the treatment of mental problems. And we are here, exam days, all the teachers are here. Nothing what she claims is not done. She is absolutely baseless and untrue. And she has, yesterday, she told me, I want to talk to you. Then all these teachers have seen I am standing in the basketball court only. And all the teachers, she said, I am not happy here. You are not, the teachers are correcting me all the time. And I asked her, is the first experience of teaching? Yes. And earlier she was running a business. So I did tell her, you dress like a teacher and come. She was dressing going for fashion show and all that. So we did tell her this is not the right way to be in the school, because we are having a senior secondary school. And she said, I don't want to continue. Then I said, yes, you are a substitute only. So you can discontinue from tomorrow if you don't want. And I will call the other teacher. Then I did call this sir and informed him. That's all the truth, nothing else.